Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday, January 29th. I always, before I record this, I said, okay, know the date before you come on. I didn't do that. I've been busy doing other stuff. Also, the smell of bacon is in my apartment, and it's not from me. It's from somebody on my floor or something, but I'm telling you, I love the smell of bacon. It's like my other food group, and it reminds me of Saturday and Sunday brunch. So I woke up today, other than usually it's a little 420 going on, not for me, but out in the hallway, which I can't stand. So personal thing. So how are you today? I hope all is well. 1 week from today, I'm going to be in Wilton Manors, Fort Lauderdale area for a midwinter break, weekend before my birthday with my best friend. So that'll be full of debauchery and cocktails and sightseeing and going to the ocean, all that kind of stuff. So that will be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to that. So grateful. I've been counting down the days. That's 1 week from today. Grateful to be leaving the frozen tundra and getting on and getting out. I came across this in my car the other day, and it still works. You're not going to believe this. Does anybody know what this little gem is? No, it's not an iPhone. It is an iPod. Remember these things? This thing, I think I got back in 2005. I was dating a former boyfriend at the time. I remember it because he was at a lecture, and I was talking about getting this. And it still works. I'm still trying to figure out how I can get the music that's on here, which is on my computer, because you know I sync everything. But I'd like to know how I can get it so I can listen to it in my car. And I have an Android phone. So anybody know that? Let me know, but it still works. Minimal problem. Yeah, see, I say that now, and it's probably why I jinxed the whole thing. But it still works. So anyway, yeah, kind of old school. I was just thinking about this, and I was talking with friends and talking with some people at a lecture program the other day. In a world where we're not to be empathetic, please be empathetic. And in a world where we're not supposed to think about community because everything is so upheaval and nasty and horrible, think about the community. Spread happiness, spread joy. I know it's such a struggle right now, but we all need it. There's such chaos, and the world is telling us to pick things apart, pick people apart, be uncaring, be the caring person, let things be. We don't have to always analyze and pick things apart. Everything, let things be. Enjoy the time, enjoy the moment, enjoy yourselves. I just find that so many people are sad and upset, and I get it. I feel it too, but you got to choose to step away from the news, be informed, but be empathetic, care about our communities that are not being represented. Care about the immigrants. Lend a helping hand. Make somebody's day, because it'll make your day. And it'll help heal you while you're healing somebody else. Think about all these things. These are all things that I talk about, all things that I believe in. I have for all of my life in helping out marginalized communities and people, because it helped heal who I am growing up, and it's made a whole world of difference. Think about that. And that's all I got for today. Got a little bit of a weekend going up. Going to gather with friends on Saturday if we don't have another big snowfall coming in. But we'll hopefully all be troopers and still hang out. And not much going on. Busy work, laundry, and a lecture, and some things wrapping up until I leave on Thursday. But you'll hear from me on Monday. Probably not on Thursday, sorry, but I might do some short posts from down in Florida. Yeah, I'm staying at an Airbnb, and it's supposed to be a really cool place. So anyway, subscribe, like, and share. Be a good person. Let my words change you and change your attitude today, I hope. That's all I hope. To make you think about things and be a good person. And love yourself, love your community. Do something good today, will you? Do something great this weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Thanks for checking in. You know I love you. Take care. Bye.